What to know for chandelier electrical code compliance? Are you thinking about upgrading your chandelier or creating a stunning new piece from upcycled materials? It is important to keep safety and compliance in mind. Let's break down what you need to know about electrical code compliance for chandeliers. First, chandeliers can be heavy, so they need to be securely mounted. This means they should be attached to the building's structural elements, not just the drywall or ceiling panels. The electrical box must be rated to hold the chandelier's weight. If you are using a heavier upcycled chandelier, you might need extra bracing or supports to keep it safe and secure. Next, let's talk about wiring. Typically, chandeliers have 3 wires: the live wire, which is usually black or red, the neutral wire, which is usually white, and the ground wire, which is green or bare copper. It is essential to match these wires correctly to your home's wiring. Use wire connectors to join these wires securely, ensuring no exposed metal is left that could cause shorts or shocks. Always follow the manufacturer's wiring instructions, especially if you are working with repurposed components that may have different wiring standards. Grounding is another key aspect. The ground wire of your chandelier must connect to your home's grounding system. This is not optional. It protects against electrical faults by directing stray currents safely into the ground. When it comes to height and clearance, electrical codes often specify that the bottom of the chandelier should be at least 80 inches above the floor in areas where people walk. This height helps prevent head injuries and ensures safe passage under the fixture. The location of light switches is also important. They should be installed at accessible heights, usually no higher than 48 inches above the floor, with no obstructions around them. This makes it easy and safe to operate your chandelier. It is highly recommended to hire a licensed electrician for chandelier installation. They are familiar with local codes and can ensure that everything is up to standard. This helps avoid any issues with safety or insurance later on. Lastly, remember that electrical codes can vary by location. Always check your local regulations before starting your installation. Some areas may require permits and inspections to verify compliance with electrical and building codes. If you are upgrading or creating chandeliers from recycled materials, these electrical requirements still apply. Ensure that all electrical components meet code standards while creatively reusing materials. This way, you can create a beautiful and safe lighting fixture that complies with regulations. Combining sustainability with safety and functionality will make your chandelier a standout piece in your home.